Steve Jobs is an incredibly inspiring person and one of the most famous visionaries of the 21st century. He is the man who created Apple. When Steve was born, his biological parents had no choice and gave him up for adoption. When he was 12 years old, he saw a computer in his school and it caught his interest. In his childhood, he used to work with his father in their family garage, taking apart the parts of cars and keeping them back together. There arose his love towards machines. Steve Jobs paid attention to every single detail of the machines, and this has set Apple apart from his competitors. Jobs was an average student in school. He never developed any interest in the formal education and he never really enjoyed school. Steve Jobs enrolled at one of the most famous colleges of Portland, which is the Reed College, but he dropped out just after a semester. But Steve would unofficially attend the classes that interested him. During those days, he would sleep on the floor of his friend's house and he used to exchange Coke bottles for his meals every day. Steve Jobs admired calligraphy and it was one of the classes that he attended in the Reed College unofficially. He said, "If I had never dropped in on that single calligraphy course in college, the Mac would have never had multiple typefaces or proportionally spaced fonts." His uniqueness in everything that he made has led him to be the founder of the most famous company, Apple. In 1976, when Steve was 21 years old, he invented Apple's first computer in his father's garage along with his friend Steve Wozniak. Nearly after a decade, he was fired from his own company which he built, giving all of his strength for it. He got devastated, but he knew his potential. In a speech Jobs gave at Stanford University, he said that being fired from Apple is the best thing that could have happened to him. He said the heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. It freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. After leaving Apple, Jobs founded Next company, but it was later sold out to Apple. A year after Apple merged with Next, Jobs was hired back as the CEO of the company. After his return, Apple has become what it is today. Steve Jobs dedicated his life to his goals. He never settled for less or for what he lost. He was disappointed and devastated, but he worked on his dreams. His goal was not to make money, but to give this world some great products. In spite of his personal difficulties, he reached a level of business success which is truly rare. When he was fired, Jobs said, "What had been the focus of my entire adult life was gone, and it was devastating. I even thought about running away, but something slowly began to dawn on me. I still loved what I did, and so I decided to start over." He is truly an inspiration to every young entrepreneur today. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. I'm convinced that the only thing that kept me going was that I loved what I did. You've got to find what you love. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. This is how Steve Jobs changed his life. How are you going to change yours?